To replace the brushes on a Bosch angle grinder, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver. An awl or a pick tool helps, and needle nose pliers. First, remove the access door with the T20 screwdriver. Then remove the spring that holds the brush in place. You can usually set it on the side of the hole, and it will stay in place. Then remove the brush from the pin connector, and insert the new brush. Flip the tool over and you can do exactly the same thing on the other side. And it's just that easy to replace the brushes on these things. And as always, people, make sure that your tool is unplugged when you're working on it. And here we go, the same process on this side. That pin connector, that's why the needle nose comes in handy. You don't want to bend that pin connector. It's not as sturdy as the Bosches that were produced in the past, but still very good quality. So here you go, in under 2 minutes, and we got this thing running again. If you found this video helpful, please think about subscribing or give me a thumbs up. Cheers and thanks for watching. Have a great day.